Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope so you all are good. Today I'm going to explain you ascending and descending order. It is very easy and interesting concept, but if you will teach to your student through the activity and pictures, they can easily learn it. So today we have ascending order. Firstly, teach them what is the meaning of ascending order. Ascending order means smallest to largest. We have bar. We have number 1, 2 and 3. We will find which is the smallest number and which is the largest number. So firstly we have 1. 1 is smaller than 2. So 1 comes on first place. Now we have 2. 2 is smaller than 3. So 2 comes on second place. Now we have 3. After 3, is there any number? No, we don't have any number. So 3 is our largest number. We have an example, so I will explain it. Ascending order means we have to arrange all these numbers smallest to largest. So we will find which is the smallest number. 1. 1 is the smallest number. So we will write here 1. We write here 1. We will cut it. Okay. Now we have 19, 7, 3 and 12. So which is the smallest number? 3. Add comma and write 3 is the smallest number. Okay, we will cut 3. Now we have 19, 7 and 12. Now which is the smallest number? 7. We will write here 7 and we will put comma. Now we will cross it. Now we have only 19 and 12. So which is the smallest number? 12. We will write here 12. We will cut it. Now we have left only 19 and we will put here at the end. So 19 is our largest number and 1 is our smallest number. So see 1, 3, 7, 12 and 19. These are according to ascending order, smallest to largest. Okay, so we have second option. Now we have 20, 4, 11 and 9. So find it, which is the smallest number? For all these, 4. 4 is the smallest number. We will write here 4, then add comma and we will cut it. Now 20, 11 and 9. Which is the smallest number? 20, 11 or 9. Which is the smallest number? 9 is the smallest number. So we will write here 9 and add comma. We will cut it. Now we have 20 and 11. Which is the smallest number? 11. Put comma and cut it. Now what is left? Only 20. So we will write 20 at the end of the line. So this is our smallest to largest number, means ascending order. Now we have descending order. Descending order means largest to smallest. Okay, largest, smallest, smallest and smallest. Okay, so 4 is greater than 3. So 4 comes first. Now 3 is largest to then 2. So 3 comes first. Now 2 is largest then 1. So we will write here 2 and 1 is the smallest number. So we will write at the end of the bar. So we have this example. Okay, largest to smallest. Firstly we have 21, 2, 35, 19 and 10. We will arrange them according to descending order. We will find which is the largest number. Okay, so 35 is the largest number. So we will write here 35 and add comma. We will cut it. Now 21, 2, 19 and 10. Which is the largest number? 21. We will write here 21 Okay, so we will cut it. Now we have 2, 19 and 10. Which is the largest number? 19. So we will write here 19 and comma, we will cut it. Now we have 2 and 10. Which is the largest number? 10. 10 is a largest number. We will comma and cut it. Now we have left only 2. That is a smallest number. Now we have arranged them according to descending order. 35, 21, 19, 10 and 2. 2 is a smallest number and 35 is a largest number. So we have second option 8, 13, 42, 4 and 20. So which is the largest number? So we have 42. We will write here 42. Okay. We will cut it. Now we have 8, 13, 4 and 20. Which is the largest number? 20. We will write here 20 is the largest number, comma, and we will cut it. Now we have 8, 13 and 4. Which is the largest number? 13. So we will write here 13. We will cut it. Now we have 8 and 4. Which is the largest number? We have 8. Okay, comma. Now we will cut 8 and we have left only 4. We will write here 4. So 4 is the smallest number and 42 is the largest number. So keep one thing in your mind. Ascending order smallest to largest and descending order largest to smallest. Okay, so this is the concept of ascending and descending order. If you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.